Hello there, my name is Ian Barrysmith, and welcome to the second YouTube video in my series to teach you how to fix or better understand your PC. Today, we're going to be learning about how to properly and safely delete storage off your hard drive or SSD to make room for other things or to clear unwanted information off of it.
Here we are on my computer. Now, to give context to why I'm doing this, a couple years ago I had some computer problems. I was running a unlicensed version of Windows, and I had some problems with a SSD. It came unplugged, and therefore it broke my system, and I had to buy a new version of Windows. All my current operating system, and as you can see, all my current games, as I have quite the many, are currently on the hard drive. This makes my system quite slow, especially when booting up. So, in one of two parts, I'm going to be purging the SSD of all old data and then moving the Windows over it. However, today, we're simply just going to be deleting the SSD of all of its previous content. So to start this process, you're going to want to go over to your type here in your search bar. Now, I'm doing this on Windows 10. It might be different from on other systems. You're going to want to type in this PC. Like that. And as you can see, I've already started, but you're going to want to go to Quick Access, this PC, and you're going to want to find the hard drive or SSD that you're trying to clear out. Now for me, it's going to be the local disk D. How can you tell which one to delete? Well, you're probably going to want to simply look for files on it that you know are going to be on the SSD or hard drive you're going to want to get rid of. As I've already done that, and I've already located that this is definitely the one I want to get rid of. Also, what you can do is you can go to your settings, and you can look more in depth on what's on the hard drive to see if it's the one you want to delete. Or now, I prefer this one just to straight clear because this one is precise. This makes sure that you don't accidentally delete anything, and you keep all the data that you might need in case of emergency, but you still free it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply delete the unwanted program, and now it's going to run its course. As you can see now, after deleting just a few things from here, we've opened up almost all of the SSD and is now ready to be used for other things, such as quoting the operating system.
One of the fastest process, as you could probably tell, about halfway through deleting the extra data, I had to make a cut in the video, but it's probably one of the most accurate ways to properly and safely delete something from a hard drive or an SSD that you just don't need or aren't using anymore. It, while a little crude, is the most accurate way to make sure you don't delete anything important, and as you saw in the video, allows for easy clearing when you get a big file such as unwanted games or things like that really just eat up a lot of unneeded space on your computer. So, that's the end of today's video. See you guys next time. We're going to be teaching you guys how to take something important such as an operating system and move it from a hard drive to an SSD to improve loading times.